welcome to the Smart Wood Shop, huh? Hi, Rotten. Oh boy, yeah, very windy. Wife's running a vacuum, the exit port is right up there. But I've got my pop-up and a wind barrier right there. So I have access to a table saw, I have access to my miter, so I'm good to go. And if it rains, I'm relatively free of raindrops enough to continue working. So anyway, good stuff. Here, I think this will do the fine job. Okay. But I don't know. Actually, you know where I could use you, unfortunately, is out in the yard. I'll hold the other end while I get it started.
I can do that.
Thank you. Want a sweatshirt? Hey, so to set this top and to make sure that I'm level all the way across, I am spanning 14 feet, and I do not have my, which is actually, I wouldn't want the mullions in place anyway. So for that, I went ahead, set up my pole, and I'll be dancing later, so prepare your dollar bills. I'm a goofball. Have my laser level set up, that's the plan.